A hiccup is a myoclonus of the diaphragm that repeats several times per minute. In humans, the abrupt rush of air into the lungs causes the vocal cords to close, creating a hic sound. Hiccup symptoms: a single or a series of breathing diaphragm spasms, of variable spacing and duration. A brief, less than 1/2 second, unexpected, shoulder, abdomen, throat, or full body tremor. Hiccups might be easily heard as a chirp, squeak, hup, or if controlled, a quick inhaling gasp, sigh, or sniff. The victim might complain of brief but distracting or painful, frequent or occasional interruptions in normal breath, with sudden momentary pain of the throat, chest, or abdomen. Hiccups treatment: a bout of hiccups, in general, resolves itself without intervention, although many home remedies are often used to attempt to shorten the duration. Medical treatment is occasionally necessary in cases of chronic hiccups. Hiccups is a common disease, yet every individual needs unique treatment and care. We encourage people with hiccups and their families to learn, as much as possible, about the latest medical treatment and approaches, as well as healthy lifestyle choices. For more information about hiccups and how to treat hiccups, just click on the link at description or visit www.mainmd.com. Thank you.